Millions of people use AI every day to write, code, learn, and solve problems faster. Each AI assistant has unique strengths. Some are better at coding, others excel at writing, research, or productivity. We'll compare these AI assistants across coding, writing, research, creativity, speed, and overall usefulness. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI is the best choice for your needs. First, let's look at ChatGPT, one of the world's most popular AI assistants, trusted by millions for writing, learning, coding, and everyday productivity. First, let's look at ChatGPT. Watch as it effortlessly handles email drafts. This saves valuable time every single day. ChatGPT is especially popular with developers because it can generate code, explain programming concepts, and help debug software efficiently. Content creators rely on ChatGPT to produce articles, video scripts, marketing copy, and creative ideas in just seconds. Students, teachers, and professionals use ChatGPT every day to learn faster, summarize information, and boost productivity. Students, teachers, ChatGPT stands out for coding, writing, brainstorming, and learning. Next, let's see how Google Gemini compares. Now let's explore Google Gemini, Google's powerful AI assistant designed to work seamlessly across its productivity ecosystem. Gemini shines when you use Google Workspace, helping you write emails, summarize documents, organize meetings, and create presentations faster. One of Gemini's biggest strengths is multimodal understanding. It can analyze text, images, documents, and other content together. Gemini is especially useful for people who rely on Google's ecosystem and want AI to enhance their daily workflow and productivity. Gemini stands out for productivity, collaboration, and Google integration. Next, let's see what makes Claude different. Now let's meet Claude, an AI assistant that's especially popular for writing, research, and analyzing long documents. Claude excels at understanding large documents, producing thoughtful summaries, and explaining complex topics clearly. Many writers and professionals choose Claude because of its clear writing style and strong focus on accuracy and readability. If your work involves research, documentation, contracts, or detailed analysis, Claude is an excellent choice. Claude shines in writing, research, and deep analysis. Now it's time for the ultimate comparison to see which AI is the best overall. Let's see how these three AI assistants perform across the tasks that matter most. For coding, ChatGPT is known for strong code generation and explanations, while Gemini and Claude also provide capable programming assistance depending on the task. For writing, all three assistants are capable. Claude is often appreciated for polished long-form writing for versatility and Gemini for productivity within Google's ecosystem. For writing, for users who spend most of their day in Google Workspace, Gemini offers especially smooth productivity and collaboration features. The best AI depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Each assistant has unique strengths that make it the right choice for different tasks. So, which AI should you choose? The answer depends on your goals. There's no single winner for everyone. If you code or brainstorm ideas, ChatGPT is a strong choice. If you work inside Google's ecosystem, Gemini can be a great fit. For detailed writing and document analysis, Claude. The most powerful strategy isn't choosing only one AI. It's learning when to use the right tool for the right task. Thanks for watching. Which AI assistant do you use the most? Tell us in the comments. Tell us in this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and technology content every week.